How to get a WhatsApp link. So if you want to get a WhatsApp profile link, including your phone number that allows people to just click on it and send a message to you on WhatsApp, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to get a WhatsApp link, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app on your phone. This could be on Android and on iPhone. So if you're using an Android, click on the plus icon at the bottom right. On iPhone, click on the plus icon at the top right. Then you should see message me. Then go ahead and click on message yourself here. Now, while you are on your profile page, just type wa.me / your phone number. Mark, you want to type in your country code. So as a Nigerian, you're going to start with 234, that is plus. And if you're in any other country, just make sure you type in your country code first before you proceed to type in your profile. So just go ahead and type in your number completely, then send it to yourself. Then you can now go ahead, copy the number, press and hold it, and then click on copy. Then you can now send this to anyone, and whenever they click on it, will take into your WhatsApp profile page. So that is basically how to get a WhatsApp link. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.